Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the 3dx9_26.dll not found or missing error. So the first tip that I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer. Sometimes for some people it will fix this problem, right? And if it's not the case, the next thing that I suggest you to do here is to install the latest DirectX version. So to do so, you just need to open up DirectX user runtime. You just need to unbrowse and write DirectX and user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here. And then you just need to click on that and then download this setup. And once you download it, you should get something similar to this, dxwebsetup.exe. And then what you need to do here is to press I accept agreement, press next, deselect this option and hit next again. And after it's installed, you need to look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer, right? And if you're still getting this error, probably when you try to run the game. So what I suggest you to do here is to simply find that game where you get the error. For example, if it's on Steam, you just need to go to Steam library, then find the game, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. And if it's not the case, then you need to again go here, then click browse, look for exe file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure deselect this option here, run this program into compatibility mode 4, and disable full screen optimizations as well. And if it's not working, just try to reinstall the game and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that is suggested to do here is to simply open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates here, press check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so here. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce Experience to me where I can simply update my GPU drivers. I just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and here it will be some updates. If there is some updates, I can download it. If using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that, or simply you can always go to Device Manager. Then you need to go to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, and update it here. Right, so that's pretty much it. It should fix your problem. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.